Hi guys, today we are going to be looking at the basic cut, copy and paste in Excel. So we have some data as you can see here. So let's say I want to copy just this. First of all, before you can copy, ensure that you have the cell selected. This is a cell. This is a cell. If I click here, this is a cell. A cell consists of the column and row, right? If you look at this end, this is G5. There is intersection between G and 5. So I'm selecting a cell now. If I select B1, this is B and 1, and this is B1. So if I do copy now, and maybe you forgot to select employee, maybe down to this line, and you were so busy that your selection was on B1, and you now did copy. This is for copy, or you can do Control C, right? I'll click on copy, then I try to paste. So let's say now look at how this selection is still ongoing. It means the copy has occurred. But if you did not see this selection, this movement that you are seeing now, be rest assured that you've not copied anything. Now, coming down to this place, you can come here and paste. Now, if you paste, you are not seeing anything, but you are seeing this signal. This is a sign that you've pasted something, but you're not seeing anything. That's because the cell you selected while copying was what is it called, empty. So you are pasting empty content. So it means while you are copying or you want to cut, ensure that you select the cell or selections of cell, which is range. They call it range. When you select more than one cell, let's say I select this up to this, what I did was I click and drag. I clicked and drag. So I'm still holding on to the mouse up to here. So this is range. This is B3 to B8. They are still under B. So let's say I want to select now. So I now do copy. I have copied. So you can see that I have copied this selection. So if I click outside and I try to paste, I'll click on this here and then paste. I can do Control V, Control V, Control V. So let me use Control V. So here I'm clicking on my keyboard now, Control V. It has pasted, right? Now that is because we selected a content. Unlike the first attempt we made was that we maybe by mistake or something, we did not know that our mouse was selecting an empty cell, and we thought we selected this range. Remember I said range is when you have more than one cell selected. So and a cell is what you have when you have intersection of rows and column. So if I click here, this is a cell singularly, this is a cell, this is a cell, but this cell particularly is on C6. How do I know? It is intersection between C and 6, and this is it. So this is copy. Now when I copied, see how it comes with the format. This is a format. The format is that this is bold and it has borders. I can see that when I paste, it also came as bold and border. That is because of the paste that I used. But this is copy. So copy is that you have the original available and you have a duplicate. So it's like a duplicate, right? What if I don't want to copy? What if I want to cut? So let's say I want to cut this. Cut means you want to delete the original and you want to have a copy. So let's go ahead. So I'll click on this scissors. This is cut, or Control X. So click on this. Now you can see this selection again. It means you've selected H3 to H8. This is range. Then I'll click on where I want to paste. I have to select where I want to paste before you can paste. So otherwise, what you select, let's say for instance, I highlight this and it is still selected as X, then I now paste. You are still pasting it the same place that you copied it from. So it means you have to move, you have to select the destination. So let me do that again. Cut. If you don't see this movement, to click it again, it means it has not been selected. Now I'll come to this place, then I'll click on this drop down here, or better still, instead of drop down, click here. This is paste, Control V. Just click paste. Now you can see it has moved from this range, from this column to column J. We are in column J. If you have any question on the cut, copy and paste that we just handled now, don't forget to drop it on the comment section and we'll attend to that.